I'm going to share with you the top must-have accessories for a Spark Trixx. We're going to start off with number one. All right, if you take a look back here, you can barely see it, but it's very important. It is a step that folds down and spring loads up. This is going to help you get on your ski quickly. You don't want to step right here because you might break that. When trying to get on this ski in rough water, it's nice to have a little step. It's super easy to install. Check out this video here if you would like to see how to install the step. Number two, I think, is the most obvious one. It is the BRP sound system. It floats, it's Bluetooth, it's loud, it's awesome, waterproof. It's very expensive, but it's a must-have for this ski. So it quickly detaches. You press this little lever right here and pull up on your handle, and it actually floats. You can believe that. Just in case it ever bounces off of there, it gets away from you when you're at the beach. That's pretty incredible. All right, so we're sitting on the ski and we're going to take a look at the storage compartment here. I've got here an iPhone 13, and if you drop it in, you cannot close it. And if you put it this way, it actually will close, so you can fit your phone in here. But as you can see, there's not much room for anything else. So I've got a whistle we throw down in there, and my real little registration paper. That's about all I can fit. You might be able to fit a pair of sunglasses, but that's just about it. You ain't gonna fit much else in this thing. That brings us to number three, storage compartment. So typically these Sparks come with a hole that goes right through here, and the water hits you right in the kneecaps, which is fine and all, but so I think most people are gonna find that they need some storage. If you need to put a rope in there, or maybe your sandals, if you're going to the beach and you need things for the kids, or it just depends where you're going or what you're doing. But one way or another, without any storage on this ski, you're gonna wanna add a storage compartment. All right, so number four is super cool. This is a phone mount. And as you just heard, it is charging my phone. So that's pretty incredible. This is a waterproof charging phone mount that hooks right up to the handlebars on this Spark. So this is meant for like a dirt bike, a bicycle, or a Spark Trixx. And it's a very sturdy mount system here. I have not had any problems with. It only takes a few minutes to hook up. It's just 2 wires to your battery, and it comes with an inline fuse. So it is super easy to hook up. All right, bonus accessory number 5 is this SAUTVS speed tie system. I don't have it on my ski, that's why I couldn't show it, but I'm gonna certainly get one very soon.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I